All right, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell, and I'm back once again to show you another passive income stream that I am really liking, and I really wanted to share with you guys and to show you another way that you can make some money online here in 2021 passively. And let's just find different ways of having multiple streams of income so we always have the money working for you instead of you working for that money. Okay, but like always, I got to give you that disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything you do in life, online and offline, is a risk. Do your own due diligence and accept your own risk for your own actions. Seek financial advice from a professional regarding your own financial situation. And most importantly, never spend money you cannot afford to lose. All right? Cool. So, today I want to talk to you about a program that I've been using for a few months now. Made a video on it, a little while back when I first got into it, and I just kind of want to give you a follow-up video here and just show you that there's been a lot of updates and improvements that I'm really liking, and I think you'll like as well. So let's just jump right into it. So, as you know, we always talk about passive ways to make income online, and that's simply just ways that you can set it up, and forget it. Just have the money work for you, right? And it's always dealing with cryptocurrency. Now, I want you guys to take a look at a couple of things. We're over here at CoinMarketCap, right? And at CoinMarketCap, can't even talk right now. There is all this data on all these different crypto coins, and I don't know if you know this, but there's always new coins coming out, right? And the value just, it can go up and down. We know this, that's the way the market runs. But let me show you this real quick. There is approximately 5,979 different types of cryptocurrency right now in the world here in 2021. Okay. Do you know about all these? Because I sure as hell don't. And I don't plan to learn about all these, right? But what I want to show you guys is that if you see here, the most important one, the most known is Bitcoin. Right now, as I record this, August 9th, 2021, Bitcoin is at $46,000 right now. Ethereum is right at 3,000. But a lot of people don't realize that with these coins, you don't have to have $46,000 to get Bitcoin, right? You can actually get fractions of Bitcoin or fractions of Ethereum, fractions of Cardano or XRP or Litecoin, right? Chainlink, all right? This is the value if you had one full coin, but you don't have to get a full coin. You could spend $10 and get $10 worth of Litecoin, or $20 worth of Polkadot, or $50 worth of Bitcoin. And you'll have a portion of that. But you don't need to learn any of that right now, okay? I want to show you guys a passive way to make money off the crypto market without knowing anything about crypto, okay? I've been showing you guys smart contracts, right? I've been showing you guys the ways some passive income on faucets and things like that, right? And you don't really have to know much because you set it up and you forget about it. But the difference in some of those things is that some of those programs you actually have to, make an investment and you have to put a little bit of money into it because the more you put in, the more you get out, right? That's the way life is. Just like if more effort you put into something, the more you're going to get out of it, right? We can take advantage though in the crypto space here because there's other professionals who already have the knowledge that we want to take advantage of. And I'm not talking about paying high dollar, thousands of dollars to get trained on how to read signals and pips and all this other stuff, this, that, and the other. I ain't got time for that. If you have time for that, more power to you. You want to learn that skill set. You want to take those hours and learn those days and days on end, that's more power to you. Go do it. Be you. You know what I'm saying? I don't have that kind of time. I got family. I got other obligations. I just don't have time to be learning and sitting in front of charts and trying to learn this, that, and the other. So I want to take advantage of someone else's skill set and have them work for me, right? Basically, put them to work for me, but at a very low cost, right? I'm not trying to break the bank, and I'm not trying to spend car note money, spend house note money, spend the money for groceries on this kind of stuff. I'm just simply showing you ways to make money either passively, in your sleep pretty much, because once you set these things up, you don't have to manage them. You just come back and see how it's doing. Okay, so what I want to share with you guys is a simple program, and it is called Copy Pro Trader. Okay, And simply what this is, you may have heard this before, you may not have heard this before, but this is not a smart contract. This is not sending anybody your money. This is not a bot that you're dealing with. You're actually working with pro traders who actually who've been vetted, who actually know how to look at the market. They know when the market is a good time to buy, when it's a good time to sell, and you can actually benefit from their knowledge. And simply what this program does is allow you to use this amazing new system so that anyone can profit from crypto trading 100% hands free, even if you know nothing about cryptocurrency. Okay, this is 100% hands free system. It takes only a few minutes to set it up. And once you get it set up, it just rock and rolls. Okay, and you just check this out. I want you to see this. Okay, so watch this quick little video right here, and I want you guys just to take a quick listen to this. This is what copy traders is all about. Just check this out.
Are you a professional cryptocurrency trader? No? We have a simple process for you to follow where you make the exact same trades as the pros, automatically. When they make a trade, you make the same trade at the same time. If you're a professional trader, reach out to us. We have followers wanting to follow your trades. Here's how our system works. Our subscribers get on a crypto exchange and provide an API key which allows the system to make trades for them, while always maintaining 100% possession of their crypto. When a pro trader makes a trade, their followers make the same trade automatically. So all of the pro's knowledge and experience is effortlessly passed on to you. What about those promise to pay programs that offer guaranteed returns? Well, they always crash and burn, leaving their regular Joes with absolutely nothing. How many times do you want to go through that? There's a stronger, smarter, and better way to do things. Why would you ever give up control of your crypto if you can have the advantage of professional trading skills working for you 24/7? Cryptocurrency is real, it's spendable, it's global, and it's a viable way to move beyond just exchanging your time for money. Crypto is in the mass adoption stage, and it's becoming mainstream. The headlines are changing, and now is the time to take advantage of it. We welcome you to our simple and effective system. You're at exactly the right place at the right time. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, especially when it's this easy. When you make a difference in your world, you can make a positive difference in the world. In spirit of community and sharing, a portion of your proceeds will go to missions of love, which helps people in need around the world battling malnutrition, mental health issues, and natural disasters. We want you to be so happy with our service that you tell others about us. We also have a rewarding affiliate program. Automatically make the same trades as pros, optionally make referrals for affiliate rewards, and help us help those that need it. Start copying pro traders today.
So that's it. So that's the cut and dry. Okay, you're simply just allowing yourself to link in and connect with professionals, not a bot, not a smart contract. You're actually working with professional traders who know how to read the market and will sit in front of the market, in front of their screens, or whatever it is they do, and they're going to trade for us. And our system will match their trades automatically while you're in your sleep, while you're at school, while you're at the day job, the night job, with your wife, your girlfriend, your fiance, in Hawaii, swimming. Well, if you're on the toilet, it don't matter. This stuff happens automatically, and all you got to do is just come back and just check it out, see how it's doing. Okay. Let me show you this real quick. I'm going to jump over into my account. Okay, you're now looking at my account for Copy Pro Trader. I got in back in April. Okay, and essentially I don't know about trading. Well, I do know about trading, but I'm not a professional. Okay, I know enough to get myself some little bit of funds here and there. I know stuff to get myself in trouble. Okay, but I actually like that I can actually profit from other people's work, other people's hard work and their success. Okay, let me take a look at this. If out here we have trades that have opened and closed, and when you come in here and you start with copy per trade, you're going to see the same thing happen for you. You're going to be able to see the name of the trader that you've selected. You can pick your own traders, like 6 of them you can choose from. They're ranked. You can see when they made their last trade. You get a little bit of history on them. They're each vetted by the system, by Copy Pro Trader team. So we know these are professional traders who have a history of successful trades over and over and over again. And these people don't even know who you are. You don't have to meet them. You just select who you want and learn from their skill set. Now, let me show you this. Look at these wins, okay? Profits, 16% win, 6%, 8%, 3%. Look at all this green, 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 okay? Just win after win after win after win. Now, nothing's perfect. Nothing in life is perfect. There will be losses, okay? So let's go ahead and just take a look at some losses, okay? Now, here is continuing on. Here's some wins, wins. Oh, here's a loss, 4% loss. But how is that really hard to stomach when you have a 17% win right before it and a 6% win right after it? Nothing. That's a nothing loss. 14% win, 17% win, and they keep going and going and going. I love Copy Pro Trader. I think you guys need to check this out. Now, a few months back, you all know the market took a dip. You know what I'm saying? So we do have some open trades right here. Okay, and we have even I'll show you the good and the bad. I got some closed trades that closed in the negative, right? But look how much is lost. I lost what, 5%, 6%, 13%. So that's what, 20% total right here in what, in one day's time. But look at this right before it. Look at all these wins, wins, wins. Look at this after it. Wins, 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 wins. Okay, these trades are sitting here open because we're waiting for the trader to close a trade for me. They know when it's a proper time to close the market. I'm not sitting in front of my computer screen doing this. I'm letting the professionals do it for me. If I choose to, I can click the sell button right here and I can close this. I can close the trade myself. I can sell it myself for a profit. And the best way you can do that is look right up here. We actually have the scroll bar from CoinMarketCap. Didn't I just show you guys that? Where you can see all the current prices of all the coins as they stand right now, so you can decide if you want to sell or not. Okay, recent trades from just a couple days ago. Bitcoin opened at 44,000, closed at 45,000, 3% gain. We have Ethereum opened at 2,971, closed at 3,081, 3% gain. Now, at all, you decide how much you want to put in each trade. Okay, you decide how much you want to put in each trade. You can decide if you want your trade. I think the minimum. So there's a couple different exchanges you can choose from. You're just basically going to connect your exchange to the traders using the Copy Pro system. Okay, when they make a trade, your exchange makes the exact same trade. When they do a buy, your system does an automatic buy. When they do a sell, your system does an automatic sell. Okay, but you were just watching it happen, just watching it happen. And if you choose to take a little bit of action yourself and you want to close it yourself, you can. You can certainly do that. You have that freedom. But the best thing about this is the money never leaves your exchange. The money's always in your control. It's always in your account. And these traders do not have access to your account. They do not know how much money is in your account. They do not know who you are. We are copying them. They're not copying you. They're not looking at your stuff. We are copying their professional skills. And I love it. I love it. Okay, look at all this green, 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 green. Couple of reds, because there's nothing perfect, not 100% guaranteed win rate, But look at all these greens. Look at all this win, 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 all this green. I love green. I love it, love it, love it. And I just want you guys to see this, okay? Because I think this is a great program, 100% hands free. You set it up and fund your account and walk away. You're done. If you want to come back later, make some modifications, you can. Cool. Now, here's the traders right here. You can see here's the different traders you can choose from, and they give a little bio on each trader. There's 5 traders, right? And on each trader, you can actually click right here and get their trade info, so you can see how many trades they currently have open. You can see their average profit per trade. You can see how many trades they closed per month. You can see how many trades they closed last month. And you can see the most recent buy order. So if you're following this trader, you know that they made a buy order here recently. So your account's going to have a buy order for that trade automatically without you doing anything. And you can switch between these guys at any point you want to. Okay, I like Clarence. Clarence is my boy. I've been following him. But you choose who's right for you based on what your needs are. Clarence has an average rate of 5% profit. You know, He's closed 221 trades this month. Okay, so you decide what's right for you. Okay, so below this video, we leave the link to get started. And the cool thing about this is that not only will you get the link to get started, but you can also go ahead and get the step-by-step guide on how to get started with Copy Pro Trader. It'll walk you step by step on how to do this. Let me show you really quick.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Jeremy, and welcome to this Copy Pro Traders Getting Started Guide. This is a step-by-step guide to help you get started with Copy Pro Traders. Over the last few months, I have helped over 1,000 people get started with Copy Pro Traders, and I believe that I have found the easiest and simplest path for you to get started without overwhelming you with the process. So let's go ahead.
So that's that's the cut and dry of it. You know, you're gonna get this tutorial. You're gonna get these steps just to get started. It's very easy to do. Takes about 20 minutes to set it all up. You know, fund your account. Now, it's this walks you through everything. You don't need to know anything. The only thing you need to know is that you don't come out a high dollar paying thousands of dollars for this. Now, how much would you pay for your freedom? Okay, for your freedom to be able to just set up the program, walk away, and come back to it, you know, and see that there's been action, there's been a buy, or has been they bought Bitcoin and then later on they sold Bitcoin for a profit, or they bought Ethereum and sold it for a profit later on, without you doing anything while you were out with the kids, while you were at your job, while you were sleeping, while you were on the toilet. It doesn't matter. You can get paid from this. Okay, how much would you pay for that? Me personally, I think I'd pay maybe $500 for that. You know, that's just me. I think that's a skill set that I don't have the time to learn right now. I don't have the 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 need or the desire to learn that skill set to be sitting in front of computers, and I got other stuff to do. I really do. I really do. I'd pay $500 for this. It's not $500. I'd pay with 350, 350 maybe. Does that sound good for you? It's not 350. It's not 350. This is an excellent system. You need to get in on it. If you want to get started, it's just simply going to be $99 a month. Okay, simple, $100 a month. You can start having professional traders trade for you in your sleep. Get these wins over and over and over again. Look at this trade history. Look at this trade history. Just look at this green, green, green. These aren't closed because right now the market dipped a few weeks ago and it dipped below where these open prices are. So we're not closing because they're still not in profit yet. We'll close when it's time to be in profit. And when I say we, I mean the pro trader will close that for me. Okay, if I choose to close it, I can just look up here. I can see what the price is currently compared to where it was purchased previously, and I can sell that trade on my own if I choose to. But that's on me. You do you, I'm doing me. Okay. So this is Brian Farrell. Just want to quickly show you that update. Copy Pro Traders. I give it 2 thumbs up. Passive income. Don't need to know anything about crypto. Don't have to look at any charts. Don't have to learn a new skill set. Just take 20 minutes, set it up, fund your account. You decide how much you want to put in each trade. If you want your trade to be $50 per trade, that's cool. If you want your trade to be $100 per trade, that's cool. If you want your trade to be $300 per trade, that's cool. It's your budget. It's your money. It stays in the exchange. You never send your money to anyone else. The only thing you're going to be spending is $99 a month for access to the program. It's not a bot. It's getting access for the professional trader to trade for you 24/7, 7 days a week, no matter if you're in the US or you're in Australia, or if you're in Japan, Canada, Mexico, it don't matter. Get on Copy Pro Trader and get started trading with the professionals. Okay. Below this video will be links to get started. Go ahead and do what you got to do and get on the Copy Pro Trader train. Let's make that crypto money. All right. Also, go ahead and hit the like button. Now that you've reached the end of my video, let me know what you think about this video by hitting the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I come online. You hit that bell icon so you get the pop-ups and know that I've made a new video for you to review and see how I make that passive income online. And as always, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking, because this is another great income stream passively to added portfolio here in 2021 as we get that passive money. Make the money work for you instead of you working for that money. All right, Brian Farrell signing out. Peace.